kids, I hope you are fit and fine and doing good. Today we will continue with GK subject and the theme for the month of September is birds and animals. Dear kids, I know you must be bored at home. आप सभी बोर हो गए होंगे घर पे in these quarantine days. So don't worry. Today we will visit the zoo. आज हम कहाँ जाएंगे? Zoo. Are you excited? Yes. So let's go. So you can see here we are going to zoo. Papa. I hope all of you are enjoying. So finally we reached the zoo. हम कहाँ पहुँच गए हैं? Zoo में. आप सबको पता है zoo में बहुत सारे animals होते हैं. So today we will learn about animals. You can see how beautiful this zoo is looking. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. कितने सारे animals हैं इसमें. Yes. अब हम इस ट्रेन में घूमेंगे और सारे एनिमल्स देखेंगे. So, shall we start? Let's see. This is lion. आप सबको पता है ये क्या है? Lion. Lion means शेर. Lion is also known as king of the forest. Lion को क्या कहते हैं? जंगल का राजा. Next, this is beautiful peacock. ये क्या है? Peacock means मोर. It looks very beautiful. Moving on to next, this is tiger. Tiger is also known as the national animal of India. Tiger को क्या कहते हैं? National animal of India. This is giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. Giraffe की देखिए कितनी long neck है and long legs. इसकी long neck होती है और long legs होती हैं. All of you can see. Next, this is this is elephant. Elephant has long trunk. Elephant की लंबी सूंड होती है. Yes. This is zebra. It has black and white stripes on it. ये क्या है? Zebra. I hope all of you are enjoying. सबको बहुत मजा आ रहा है. So today we have learned about lion, tiger, peacock, giraffe and elephant and zebra. आप सबको बहुत मजा आया? Yes, I also enjoyed it. मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया. Now say bye bye. Bye zoo. All of you say bye to animals. Bye. Thank you.